It's January 14th, 2025, and we are going to review the Tom Ford website. So this is the homepage. On the top, we have new items, men, women, eyewear, and gifts. So let's take a look at some of the spring 25 items. All right, so it looks like we have this jacket for $5,000. Prince of Wales, this waistcoat, 1,800, 1,600 for some pants, a cardigan jacket. So it gives you an idea. A $730 slim fit dress shirt right here. We have these suede sneakers for $950. Caps for $695. So definitely on the higher end, expensive, but nice, simple. I like that. This merino zip hoodie. That looks cozy. Very cozy. What else we got here? View more. I like to sort like low to high or high to low. So let's just go up here. Ascending price. And the least expensive item so far with this new collection that we're in, knitted tie, $280. A t-shirt, a white cotton crew t-shirt, $350. Wow, that must be one nice t-shirt. Made in Portugal. Okay. All right, so let's go to women. Okay, love this fabric. Nice. I'm not a fan of the cut. I don't think I would buy that, but it looks good. Looks good. Very simple. Sandals are cute. We have belts. What else do we have? Boots. I love boots. Let's take a look at the boots. Nice. Ankle boot. Is that it? Okay, so that's it. Eyewear. Sunglasses. 560. 700. So we got, and then we have some gifts here. Gifts for her, gifts for him. The gift of luxury. All right, a bracelet for $1,850. Earrings. Leggings for $395. Satin boxer shorts, and they stretch silk. Pretty cool. Velour swimsuit. All right, so we got some zebra printed. Got some cute items. All right, I think that's pretty much. Love the pink. All right, so on the bottom, let's go down to, all right, usually we look at, no, it's pretty short and sweet. As far as careers, if you're doing your research, you're gonna let us know, because I don't see like a careers tab. The company, maybe an about us, maybe you can find some information on news. Okay, so they just announced this creative director. You can read more. Okay, then we have style consultants. Contact us. You can call them. And that's pretty much it. So it's a simple website. Now we're just going to take a look at the YouTube channel, because you know me, I love YouTube. I'm already subscribed. They have 83.6K subscribers, 112 videos. Very nice. And then we're going to go back. and take a look at the Instagram. So we're going to share this tab. We're following 12.1 million followers, and that's the Instagram account. All right, thanks for watching.